Travel made easy. These 6 new features will be available in Google Maps. Google is about to introduce 6 new features for Google Maps in India. To improve the user journey, Google will introduce these new features focusing on artificial intelligence and local partnerships to support sustainable travel. All these updates will be available in some Indian cities, including Bangalore, starting this week itself. Google has unveiled 6 new features for Google Maps in India to improve user experience and support sustainable travel. Narrow road avoidance. Google Maps now uses AI to identify narrow roads and avoid them, preventing traffic on roads unsuitable for four-wheelers. This feature utilizes satellite imagery, lane view data to estimate road width and refine routing algorithms. It will initially be available in 8 cities including Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. Flyover navigation. Google Maps now highlights flyovers on recommended routes in 40 Indian cities. It helps the drivers to move smoothly on the elevated roads. Metro ticket booking. Users in Kochi and Chennai can now book metro tickets directly through integration with Google Maps, ONDC, and R-Yatri. EV charging station integration. Google has partnered with EV charging providers to integrate details of more than 8,000 charging stations into Maps and search. This includes real-time availability and filtering by charger type. India has become the first country to feature two-wheeler EV charging stations on Google Maps. The recommendations of main locations. Local experts are collaborating with Google to curate lists of recommended places in major cities and tourist destinations. Improved road information. Android, iOS, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay allow users to report the details of the real-time image of the roads. These features are designed to address local transportation challenges. It will gradually become available on Android and iOS devices.